Welcome again, everyone, to our Ask Dr. McCord. This episode in the series is actually going to be a little bit about how we at Kent East Chiropractic give back to our community. We've been very involved in the last several years with an organization called Liberty Road Foundation, which is started by a group of business people. And its whole purpose and function is to engage for-profit business owners and their companies and their employees to give back to nonprofit organizations. There's like 8 different ones that we actually serve, and several others that are on a list as well. And one of the things that we get a chance to do and have done now for the last year or so is there's a nonprofit called Gateway Medical, and it's down in downtown Kent, down in the industrial area, and they have square footage down there where they receive donated medical supplies from hospitals, clinics, medical institutions that may be expired or just items that they have no longer need for. They donate those, and then those have to be boxed up and repackaged and put on a pallet, then loaded into a container to be shipped. And what's really cool is about once a month or once every couple of months, we close our office, so we shut our office down and take the staff, and we go to this facility, this Gateway Medical facility at the warehouse, sit at a table, and we repackage medical supplies. And it's really, really rewarding because we do it as a team. It's something that we talk about a lot. We've even engaged our patients to come and participate as well and volunteer. And we repackage these medical supplies, put them in boxes, label them, go on a pallet, and then they get shipped out to third world countries to people who are disadvantaged that wouldn't get access to those medical supplies. And at a banquet in December, I was invited to come to this, didn't know anything about it, and about 150 businesses represented there. And we actually were one of 2 companies that got awarded the Champion of the Year award, which is in this really, it's titled here on this really nice crystal trophy type looking piece here, and it just says 2017 Liberty Road Champion presented to Kent East Chiropractic in grateful appreciation for your service. So our staff gets to proudly feature this here at our office, and just a great example of how much we care, not only about the practice members coming in and our service and dedication to them as well, but to our whole community. And so we also want to ask you, if you are inclined and would love to join us for going down and repackaging these supplies, we would take a phone call. You can call us here and we can put you on the list and let you know when we're going to go and have a lot of fun doing it. So once again, we want to ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and it's great to share this exciting news about what we've been able to accomplish in an award we got over this past year. Thanks for joining us.